Case name Vishwanath, age is 28 years. Today date is 8th April 2024 and complaint of high pitch voice even after puberty. Why you came here?
My voice is like a little bit female voice, and other persons when I talk on phone they think I'm as in female, and that reduces my confidence levels also while attending the interviews.
Voice sample after 8 days of voice therapy, and today date is 15th of April 2024. So why you came here and how do you feel after the treatment?
I used to speak in female voice, so I came for a treatment. Now my voice is like this. It came very low pitch, and I have gained confidence.
Tell your hobbies.
I used to play cricket, and I used to participate in chess tournaments.
Tell about your education, primary education to higher education.
I have studied my 10th class in Guntur from AP. After that I have completed my BTech from NIT Warangal, and currently I am working as a senior software engineer in a club.
So have you spoken to anyone after the treatment, and if any reactions are there, what were the reactions?
Like I have spoken to my childhood friends and college friends. They have mentioned that there was a lot of improvement. Now some of the people have not been identified my voice as well.
Oh, great.
Like they used to tease me in school days. Now everyone was shocked after listening to this voice.
So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place?
Yeah, sure. This is definitely the right place to have it.
Okay, so what is your mother tongue?
It is Telugu.
So can you tell in the Telugu what was the problem and how do you feel after the treatment?
In Telugu kind. నాకు చాలా హై పిచ్ వాయిస్ ఉండేది, ఫీమేల్ వాయిస్లో వచ్చేది వాయిస్. ఆఫ్టర్ 8 days ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత సో ఐ గెయిన్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అండ్ మై వాయిస్ కంప్లీట్లీ చేంజ్ టు low pitch voice. Now I'm able to speak in a very confident manner.
Okay, thank you so much. And can we use your video for awareness purpose?
Sure.
It's also social media.
Sure.
And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his voice, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for the watching.